No, my friend. I just woke up from outside because I will find out what to do. I just say make I come collect go ahead from you, make I go break into the room, check bathroom and other places.
Go anywhere, break anywhere, do anything. Just find my son for me.
Okay, I can do anything.
Find my son!
Don't worry, you go see him now. Now we be go. Go when they use no talk. Make I also go in you. Go see him now.
My prince. My prince. Ah. Chinelo. Hey! Chinelo, what did they do for Prince's room? What did she do? Chinelo. What did they do for Prince's bed? Hey, I say something they hungry am. You get as body they do you. Hello, stand up. Me will go my room. Me will go do am for my room. You know if you do am here. Chinelo. Which kind sweet body be this one? Hello.
Chinelo.
Good morning, Your Majesty.
Did you hit your leg on something?
Yes, Your Majesty. I accidentally hit my leg on something.
How many times have I warned you to be careful the way you do things in this palace?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. It will not happen again.
I hope so. My son did not eat last night. So tell the kitchen to make sure his food comes to me before he wakes up.
All right, Your Majesty. I will personally make sure his food is served as fast as possible.
Good. See to it.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have one. Chinelo the Virgin Mary. Where did you sleep last night?
That's even true. Chinelo, you didn't sleep with us last night. What happened?
Inajo, what happened? What did you expect that happened? Except that Chinelo slept in the guards' quarters. Chinelo. Oh yeah, tell us. How did they do it? Did they all do it at once?
I always think that she's a virgin and pure.
Upe.
Little do I know that she's a hidden whore.
This one virgin. In this palace. One day it's... did I scatter your leg? Did I? Keep going to see. I asked you. Woo! Yeah, we have one.
Is she not your friend?
She's a... Come on, do your sweeping. I said, oh, phone. Oh, yeah, your friend. How does that Chinelo? They scattered her leg. Oh, Zubean. They scattered Chinelo.
Unyasa.
The boy Alambi.
Nonsense. Is she not your friend?
She's not my friend, though. She means you people that used to think she's a virgin in this palace. One day we'll see. One day. Ewe Chinelo. Ona jokwa agada. Yeah, we have one.
I'm so sorry, Father. I was tired, frustrated of this lifestyle. I got myself drunk and locked myself up in the study room. I wanted to stay away from everyone. But I was wrong. Please, Father, forgive me.
Well, son, you've been forgiven. You see, it takes a man of high integrity to own up to his mistakes, and apologize. Secondly, I really do not blame you, because in my days, it was similar. As a matter of fact, I blame the gods for passing me through such torture. But today, your mother is one of the greatest gifts that the gods have given to me. So I understand you completely. Okay? Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Thank you very much, Father.
You're welcome.
Okunere, yauna hamo. Okunere, ya. Wetin dey happen, sef? Wetin dey happen for this life, sef? E be like say my village people don dey use mirror, dey monitor me. E be like say they don dey watch me for mirror. Because anytime wey Igwe just count my own money like this, say take your salary, bam, call go enter. Hello, Nzube, wahala dey o, wahala dey. Emeka waje roko. This one snake bite this one, dog bite this one rope roya nishi. Na wahala. They no go let 1 naira enter my hand. How I want take make am now? The way they take, they suffocate me now from village. How I want take make am? I go call my mama, I go give am call. This thing must stop. Make I get small savings.
Nzube. Are you not the one I'm talking to?
Now my name, you just scatter like that. But in me, they call Nzube. And you expect me to answer you. Something they worry you.
Are you not the one I'm talking to, you daft gate man? Hey, get me cold water, like I'm very, very thirsty. A chilled water. Really? I'll report you to the prince.
Come. You said?
I said I will report you to the prince.
Don't worry. Which kind of water you want? The cold one?
Chilled.
As a house temperature.
I don't have time for your stupidity. I said chilled. Okay? And be very fast about it.
I come.
The water! I'm waiting! Gosh, look the way he's even walking.
Okunere, yabuna mo. Okunere. Okunere. Yeah, bon. What's happening? How does this money lose weight too? Okunere. Okunere. Yeah, bon. What's happening? No be 8,000 there here. What's be this? What's be that girl name? Teresa. Teresa. So me and you go tumble this palace now as you see am now. If you not talk how my money take lose weight like this now, me and you go tumble this palace as I tell you now. Make you hear am now.
What are you saying? Why are you rubbernecking at me with your empty nagging?
If you like a knacking, I don't know what you decide you knack. My own na this money. If you know how you take reduce this money now, carry and give me. I don't get time for all this plenty talk. You dey hear me now? Give me my money. Give me my money. You know say una criminal. Now so una dey behave. You get as una character dey dey. Give me my money now.
What? What impudence? What gave you the audacity to accuse me with such a thing as petty thief?
See, madam, you see these things where they talk, I know they say I'm. I know una, I'm robbers, criminals, na so una they behave. Some self, if they call them ole, then go join self, they shout ole, now una character. So if you do anyhow here, where you come, you go see anyhow. So give me my money.
What? How much?
Sandra! That is so bad of you. You shouldn't have slapped him like that.
No, I did. What are you going to do about it? You were here when this thing accused me with such a thing as thief. Did you do anything? No. Rather, you were sitting here being amused of it.
What am I even saying? Do you want to disfigure this boy?
It is funny to you that he called me a thief?
Well. Uncle, if it's your money you're looking for, then you are in the right place. Because I saw her when she took the money.
You say what?
Mm-hmm.
You see this girl calling my money?
Yes.
You see him? You see him? Hey!
Excuse, what exactly are you saying?
Auntie, all this one I film you, they act, no they pretend for here. Give the poor boy his money now. I mean, why are you acting high and mighty when you're nothing but a common thief?
It is you that is a thief.
Me?
Yes,
A
you.
thief?
Yes.
Oh yeah, watch the film play.
Bring the money.
Your sister! Here we go! So give me the money. You they play, they say, is this not the money? No, is this not the money, bros? Take your money.
Hey!
So you're a thief. You they play, you they show. Not be the money be this.
Hey!
See ya.
You see, say the girls don't select nonsense.
Maybe I give you back and now.
What the hell is going on here?
Even Prince enemy. No,
I am here, you're still talking. What is going on here? You want to bring down the roof of this house? Or is this place looking like a marketplace to you? Oh, so you've all suddenly forgotten that this is a palace. What if the king or the queen, even the prince, walk in here and see this scene? What will you say?
Sorry, ma'am.
Will you get out of this place and get busy?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm telling you, ask, you see what thing the girls select for?
I said get the hell out! Hold it. Are you not supposed to coordinate these girls? That you are here with them shouting and talking like a child.
See, Auntie Agnes, when you waka come here, the first thing what I think say you go do as person where they respect me small. Now to ask me, what thing happen? You ask me that question.
In other words, I'm not respecting you.
No, be say I say you know they respect me, but the main thing what you supposed to do, you know do am. You come begin shout for me now.
Okay, what happened?
This money where they here now. Now wahala. One of these people where the gods select na thief.
Thief?
The gods don't select one criminal amongst these girls. So make I give you small assignment. Go there now, go ask them wetin be this quarrel and wetin be this money wey Nzube hold for hand. Wetin be the problem? Make I give you that assignment. Go ask them. Ask them how thief take enter this house. See this money, now from thief we collect am. I tell you, this day, you begin to cross out for us once.
Thief. Where are these girls? Let me find out.
We are the people blessed with our culture. Our heritage is our pride.
Chinelo, are you okay?
Your Majesty, yes. I am fine.
You sure?
Yes. Your Majesty, I think I'm having symptoms of malaria.
Malaria?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I hope it is not what I'm thinking, because if it is, you will not like what I'll do to you. I ask you, are you pregnant?
No, Your Majesty, I am not pregnant.
You are not pregnant. Are you sure you're not pregnant?
Yes, Your Majesty, I am very sure.
Good. Now, leave whatever you're doing at the moment. Get ready to go to the hospital for a pregnancy test.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Yes, now. This girl is showing signs of pregnancy. I hope she's not pregnant under my roof. Get out of this palace. Nzube.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go and bring her things and throw her out of here. When Zube comes back with her things, throw her out.
Okay, Your Majesty. Okay.
I don't want to see her anywhere around this surrounding.
What happened to Virgin?
Our heritage is our pride. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make something out of nothing. You can be the one the gods will use. You can be the one the gods will choose. Don't look down on nobody. Don't look down on yourself. You can be the one, be the one, be the one. The gods are wild. They are watching you.
You have been eyeing that girl so that you catch up her, and you have succeeded getting her pregnant.
Who talk this nonsense now? When you could nonsense, sir? Wait, who sent you make you talk this kind of rubbish? You better say something they worry you. You the crazy? Be like say you don't the run mental, you don't the run mental. You do this palace, you don't the eye my office because they give me chairman of this palace now. You don't the enter your head. Something they worry you, Abi. No go put your mouth for waiting you don't know. You don't the talk rubbish now. You don't the greedy, you don't the envy from your family. You don't carry and put for this work. But now God go punish you. Now God go talk nonsense. Just talk waiting past your mouth. When they ask you where the evidence, where the proof for the thing where they talk, Shebi you go bring them. Shebi you go bring them. If you no bring them, they go cut off your head. Just they talk nonsense.
I know this is what you will say. The truth remains the truth. You got her pregnant.
Who be this? Who be this? Hey, you see you, eh? Look me where. Just see me finish and me go kill you. Me go and me go kill you. Something they worry you. Make I come out here before you put me for trouble because if like say they send you, Mugu. One day I go just chook hand for your eye. Idiot. Cause I dey here they play with you. Talk nonsense. When they ask you evidence, you know people can go.
Izube, are you talking to me like that?
Wait, now me you ask that question. Now me you ask that question. I go enter you, you're mad. See, they said don't let they fight for this palace, so but to me, I go kill you. Just do anything and I go kill you now. They follow me talk nonsense. Go punish you there. You won't sleep with that girl. See animal where they follow me talk. Say, sleep in the book. Your Majesty, you've been saying make I come.
Oh yes, I sent for you. Do you know where Chinelo lives?
Yes, sir. I know where she stay.
Good. Take this money. Give it to her. It was a shame that I couldn't send her off properly before she left the palace. You know why she was here. She was great and very hardworking. Okay? So you give it to her. Let her use it to do whatever she wants. And please send my regards and tell her that I wish her well in her future endeavors, okay?
Thank you, sir. I go do as you talk, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you, sir.
The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make something out of nothing.
Oh yeah, no. Who is here? Who there here? Chai, my baby. Nelung, my baby. Chai, Chinelo, you're not looking good though. What is the problem? What in Shelley? What in the happen?
Nzube, what are you doing here?
Which one be Nzube? What are you doing here? Is that how you talk to? Now, so you want to talk to the father of your unborn child? Eh? Add respect. Add small respect.
Nzube, you are not the father of my unborn child, and you will never be. So leave.
Peg, leave that and shift for me. Shift. Shift for me, Kwano. Shift too. Sit down. Sit down, make we talk now. See, if you don't sit down, I'm not going to tell you what carry me come here. So you better sit down now. Make I tell you. Sit down, oh, you're shakara too much, sir. Chinelo, see, in fact, make I confess. You see this baby when you carry here? Now my pikin. Now me put them. See, if you want to why I come inside Prince's bedroom, Come see you where you bought roller like this. Just throw away. Or like a half dead person. Now that I put them. Now that I put them. As I enter that room, that's why I open your two legs like talking like this. Say, wow! Hell! The thing just there. As I just enter, you begin calling me, Nzu, she went me out. She went me out. Nzu, she went me out. That's why they push. I they press. Guinea. Hell, I just depress. I meet one. Where again any in there? I swear. See, make I tell you, get another thing where you need to do. In fact, I go help you. I go buy you shaving stick. I go buy them. Make you the scrape there. It's just like a soldier ant. As if soldier ant gather there. This is my baby. Mommy here now.
Nzube, I need you to stand up and leave this compound. You are not the father of my child. And even if you are, I can never let you have him. Get out!
What did they do this one? What did they do you? I they tell you the truth, they tell you the cocoa. I they tell you, if not be one thing, I even won't do second one. I just say I tire. The way I take, I won't rush you second one. Where's the other for number? You can't take away my baby. The way you are dragging my child now, I've not even started talking. I just told you this is the first day, and you are denying me fatherhood. Anyway, let me start with child support. I don't want to.
Nzube, get out.
Chere.
Son, if not that the gods are the ones to choose a wife for you, I would have suggested Susan. She's a very good girl from a wonderful background.
I see how close you two are. Whatever is good for you is as well good for me. But I think we'll let the will of the gods happen.
Yes, exactly. Exactly, but sometimes I believe that the will of the gods should align with ours. I mean, if you put your mind to Susan, who knows? They might grant your wish.
What are you trying to say, Mother? Let the will of the gods be done.
You're right. Let us wait on them.
Of course.
Yeah, from 4 months salary, come she web tega for child support. This thing na my 4 months salary. Now they are from Canton, come out. Carry am, make you they give my pikin food. I no one make hunger kill you or kill my baby.
I don't need your money.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I'm trying to help you as some people.
You are not the father of my child. Leave.
Relax. Let me tell you. See, some people, if they get woman pregnant, they will run. But I'm presenting myself. I presented myself with money, what? Because I'm even playing with you. Take.
Zube, get out. Leave this compound. Go. Get out. Go. Go with your money. I don't need it.
No problem. Hey, see this girl. As they even try to help you, come on, money why they say won't help you. If they do anyhow. See, make I tell you, so many people for this life, once they give woman belly, they don't run. But I present myself, carry myself, can't tell you saying, let me give you belly, still bring money on top for caretaking. You can't they push me. Hey, you don't know anything. You, I don't chop you already. See all these things? I don't chop them. Here, how well I'm here. Whoop rugging here, where being here, maybe. Got these things, I don't enjoy them already. So why are you doing this one?
Zube, I don't need your money. Get out. Leave!
They worry yourself, relax. They worry you, bring money, give you. It may not work, maybe share them brain no one. Take money. So you can buy milk and other things so you go take care of my baby. Did they hear me?
Zube, go out from here. Go out from here. I don't need your money. Get out.
Hey, Chinelo, you are not in the palace again. No? You don't even have royal order, no authority. Stay one, relax.
Get out. Go. You are not the father of my child and you can never be Nzube.
When you talk here, I open this thing up. Nzube,
get out. Get out. Get out. Nzube, get out. Leave this compound. Stupid man.
na nwa gị ka ị na ara na-enwe nwanne ji ọkwa gị ọsọ.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, His Highness.
Greetings, Mother.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings. I can see you all are having a good time. We will be outside. So, as I was saying, if you
they will make a very fine couple together. Don't you think so?
I think so too. I just pray the gods would pair them together.
My queen, let's go. The royal cabinet meeting will start very soon.
You're right.
Oh no, you are looking so radiant. Anyway, you are welcome to this meeting.
Thank you.
As you all know, this is an informal meeting. And it is at the instance of my son's birthday ceremony and bride selection ceremony. Okay? I want to be sure that we are all prepared. You know, the various committees that we put in place to ensure that that day is a very grand one. Okay? Yes.
I have done my bit. I am only waiting for that day to come.
That's good. That's good.
Your Majesty.
Yeah.
Like I said the other day, what is remaining is money to complete the payment so that my part will be ready.
Onukube.
Your Majesty.
I thought you came to me requesting for money and I gave it to you.
Yes, you did, Your Majesty, and I've completed my part. Just waiting for the day.
But you just asked for money now. He gave you money.
Huh? Well, it's okay. You know Nukube now. He's Oliver Twist. Always ask him.
Your Majesty. The decorators will be coming in tomorrow to decorate the event center.
Tomorrow?
Yes, Your Majesty.
The day is 3 days from now. Don't you think it's rather too early? Maybe next tomorrow or so will be more appropriate?
No. Yes. There'll be the campaign and
okay, it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Yes, I want to thank you all, you know, for doing a very wonderful job. Okay? But there is one aspect that is still remaining. Yes. You know, with this kind of ceremony, we don't expect the palace workers to use the same costumes they've been using. So we need to prepare new ones for them. Are you holding a separate meeting? No. Okay. Yes, so like as I was saying, I think we need to give them new costumes. But that aspect I will give to Lolo to handle.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Good. I must say that I'm happy, from what I'm hearing. We are fully prepared. And I want to thank you for the sacrifices and all the efforts you've put in. Huh? It's all right.
Happy
Amen.
My great people of Ababike Kingdom, I greet all of you. As you all know, today is a special day in the history of this great kingdom. Not just for the land, but for my family and I. We thank the gods for their immeasurable blessings upon us. Now, the stage is set and the sky has gathered. Ezemo, step forward and commence the final rites before the celebration.
Igwe, I greet you. Lolo, I greet you. Our prince, I greet you. Elders in council, I greet you all. Neba Kwen. Kwen. Kwezuon. Igwe has said it all. Today is a great day in this kingdom. And for all of us. And the stage is set. Today, we are set to pick a bride for our prince from one of you maidens standing here. This very bead on this mat, any of you that is able to pick this bead from this mat is the chosen one by the gods to be the bride for our prince. The stage is set. Shall we begin? Step forward.
Give me your phone. Move majestically. Eh? Like a lioness. Koalaka. She's the chosen.
Pick the bead.
Yes. I know.
You can stand up. Move to that side. Step forward. Move. Pick the bead. You may leave. Join the line. Step forward. You may leave.
Lift two hands.
You may leave. You may leave. All right. Next. You may leave. Aye. Ayako kwanu jiako. Next. You may leave. You may leave. Next. You may leave. Igwe, as Nigerian, walk wala akuzili nwata nni.
Ezemo, you told us that the chosen one will come from this palace. Yes. Are the gods playing hanky-panky game on us? Why is it that none of them was able to pick this bead? Oh no, so what is going on here?
Oh no.
Ezemo.
Wipe your lips. Feature on again. Have the gods ever deceived us?
No. So what is happening?
If I may ask, the gods can never lie. Iwe, permit the maidens to be part of this exercise. The maidens that walk in this palace.
Ezemo, now you're getting me confused. What is happening here?
Igwe, the gods can never lie. Permit me to ask the maidens that walk in this palace to be part of this exercise so we can fulfill our mission today.
It's all right.
Either of you may be the chosen. Anyone that is capable of picking this bead from this mat is the chosen wife to the prince. Step forward, you. You may leave. Next. You may leave. Next. You may leave. If I may ask again, are these the only maids that serve in this palace from the day this very decree was made?
She cannot be the one.
She cannot.
She cannot. There's no way my son will father a bastard.
Allow Ezemo to do his work.
It is remaining one person, but there is no way she can be the one because she's under the curse of shame. Yes. She's with a child for another man.
Your Majesty, I want you to understand that the ways of the gods are far, far different from the ways of man. We must complete what we came here to do today. The gods do not lie, and they can never deceive us. Allow this maid to be part of this exercise. Send for her.
Ezemo, I will never allow her to partake in this.
Your Majesty, permit me to tell you that you cannot decide for the gods, and you cannot contest the decision of the gods. Let the maid step forward and be part of this exercise for us to complete what we came here to do, which is handing over a bride, a chosen bride from the gods to your son, our prince. this very lineage must continue.
Ezemo, go ahead.
Igwe, thank you. Send for her, Lolo.
My queen, should I go and catch Neri?
Go and climb on top of that roof.
Sorry. Go, hey. Also. Chinelo, wetin be this now? Why you come outside here, come lie down for ground? Eh? Why you dey always treat yourself like this? Upon say you know say you carry my pikin. You won't kill my baby for me? Eh? Why you dey always behave like say your situation na worse for this country? Wetin dey worry yourself?
Is there any need to be alive, Nzube? It is better I die than to be suffering like this.
Make I warn you. Make I give you serious warning. If you want die your death where they hungry you, so make sure say you don't burn my pikin first. So, kurukwe nwam kiimo, ikuru nwam kiimo, ichozi ibu onwe gi, ibu onwe gi. Enu yem na agwa gi. Carry my pikin, give me for hand before you kill that, because I don't see say na suicide. I waiting they call am abi. Na suicide. Na in there this your head before you commit am. Make sure say you don't carry my pikin, give me. You dey hear me? I don't want to hear story. Meanwhile, then they find you for palace. They say me will come carry you come palace.
No, Nzube. I am very tired. I can't walk to the palace.
You are very tired. Don't worry, we no tired. We go carry you go. Carry him, let's go. Come this side. Remove your hand here. Come this side. Hold on with the two hands like this. Hold on here. Chile. Did they hold her hand like this? Go this side. Next thing, give pie work and eat. Hold her hand.
The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make something out of nothing.
Should I bring your wrapper for you?
How can the music go on while they are?
Ezemo. Is it this one that is at the threshold of death that you want my son to marry?
Your Majesty, allow the gods to decide. We must complete what we came out here to do today. Igwe, the gods can never lie. Young maiden, if you are able to pick this bead from this mat, that simply means the gods have chosen you to be the bride to our prince.
Oh no.
May the gods guide you.
As you can see, she's sick in the hand. She can't lift her hand. She can't. No, she can't.
Oh no.
Young maiden, pick this maid if you can. Go ahead.
How can my son father a bastard?
Stand up.
There is no way this can be my son's bride. This will never happen.
Your Majesty, Igwe, the gods can never lie. In my capacity as the Ezemo, I am only but a messenger for the gods. Lolo, let me repeat myself. You do not have the authority to oppose the decision of the gods, even though you are with a crown. Let the will of the gods be done. Let me open our eyes to what happened in this palace. Though the gods hid it from all of us, Ichie Donald sent his daughter into this palace with a potion, a poison, and with intention to poison the prince.
Hey! What? Ichie Donald!
This very poison was to make the prince to feel for any woman he sees. Not only that, Onowu, even in his capacity as the Onowu, had the same evil intention against the prince. He sent his daughter into this palace with a stick. That stick was to perform the same thing, to make the prince feel for any woman he sees. But unfortunately for them, the prince got missing. This led to Chinelo to not only see that stick, but also she inhaled the smoke that came out of that stick. She also drank that poison.
Will you keep quiet?
Contest, say contest. You can be the one.
Your Highness. Where could the prince go to? He doesn't leave this palace alone. My prince, please come out. I'm tired. I need to go back to sleep.
We are the people blessed with our culture. Our heritage is our pride. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make something out of nothing. You can be the one the gods we use. You can be the one, the gods we choose. Don't look down on nobody, don't look down on yourself. You can be the one, be the one, be the one. The gods are wise, they are watching you. It's a contest, it's a contest.
Yay! May we run and fast, so Prince V come. I beg, I know they like problem. May we run and fast. Keep your leg. Time no day. Keep. Hey! My prince! Greetings, your highness. Chinelo, prince.
Hey, you. I know you. What the hell are you doing in my room?
We come here to come set your...
Why are you here?
I beg we come set.
I
don't know.
Get out.
Okay,
now.
sir. Sorry,
Get
sir.
Out.
Sorry,
out.
sir.
Out.
Sorry, sir.
Nzube, where is my son?
Okay, the prince. The prince just enter na. He enter.
Enter where?
He don't enter house. Nana. But the problem be say, he don't hire you. Prince, he don't hire well. In fact, I don't dirty completely. So I suggest say make we just leave and make him rest.
Are you okay? What are you hiding?
Huh?
What are you hiding?
I know they hide anything, no.
Where the gods can never lie. Here we are today. The gods allowed her to pick this very bead from this mat, showing that she is the chosen of the gods. The prince met her a virgin. She was innocent. She was pure. The gods can never lie. And my prince, you owe her an apology.
I'm sorry for all the pain, shame, and humiliation my stupid moment must have cost you. And I ask you, on this day, to please forgive me. Please. Be my bride.
Igwe.
Ezemo.
Igwe.
Proceed immediately to prepare her for the coronation.
Igwe.
Ezemo, go ahead.
You may now kneel, my prince. Yes, you Lolo to be. Tradition demands from you today that you choose a bride. That you have done. Tradition also demands that today you shall be crowned the prince of this kingdom. That we are about to do.
Oh, yeah, come.
You say I should proceed.
Go ahead.
Permit me to remove this. And wear you the new crown as the crown prince of our land. May the gods bless this union. And in your reign, may you be prosperous. When your father must have joined our ancestors, you shall also be prosperous.
Ezemo, that is so many years from now.
Hey, you may not stand.
Abamike kwenu.
Yeah.
Abamike kwenu. Yeah. Kwenu. Yeah. Nenu. Yeah. Kwenu. Yeah. Hey.
Dan, I tell you, na Chinelo won that you. Shall they tell you that time? You no believe me.
See, truth is, the gods are wise. The way the events unfolded, they know what they are doing, and nobody is wiser than them.
Thank the gods.
What do you still do for this palace? The people where the gods reject like you, they never all reach us. What do you still do here?
I promise my papa say I won't go home house without alone marry one person from this palace. And as the prince not choose me, now you say make I come with you, make you marry me.
Remarriage.
It has happened.
No, no, wait, make I tell her something now. What do you tell your papa? No, be say you tell her say you must marry one person.
Yes.
My name is Nanzube. My name is one person. I beg they find the person where you promise your papa say you won't marry. I beg no stress me. Come up for here. Waiting at the thing. See waiting man. My dear go through. I beg. Waiting at the thing. What kind of this one? This thing don't they see us, so then go push. Boys, oh yeah. Boys, oh yeah.
Because I dey tell you to me marry me. You know if I feel I won't manage you. Because I won't manage you. You must marry me.
Boys, oh yes.
You must marry
Boys,
me.
oh yeah.
You must marry me.
Yes.
You must marry me.
I think they wanted this one.
Yes,
You say
marry
yes.
Marry me.
Come on,
Marry
let's
her.
go for this one.
Marry me now.
Yes, marry her.
Come on for here.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Free marriage. Yes, yes, marry her. Carry your look.
Come on for here.
You are married. You are married. My God. Can you imagine?
Can you imagine that?
We are the people blessed with our culture. Our heritage is our pride. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. They can make